Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a very boring video. Well, if you just watch the video, it will be boring, but if you actually do it, you're gonna feel amazing. And so the tip this week is where you're going to roll in slow motion, and that's why the video is boring. But if you actually engage in this and roll in slow motion, you are going to feel amazing. And one of the things that rolling in slow motion will do for you is that it will help you learn control of your body. And you'll also get to feel how your body is tied together. So this is a great way to, one, gain control and awareness of where your body is in space, but it's also a great way to nourish your brain and flood your brain with a great deal of information from your skin, because you're rolling on the floor, but you're also crossing midline. So you're getting both hemispheres of your brain to communicate with one another. And so you're nourishing your brain by tactile stimulation and just making it efficient in communicating with itself. Which, what that means for you is that you will move better and that you will feel better. And believe it or not, this is one way to build amazing balance and fluidity in your movement. And it's also a wonderful way to build strength. You would be amazed at how much strength is inside of your body waiting for you to tap into it. So you can roll in slow motion in all of the wonderful ways that I have shown you how to roll in other videos. So you don't have to just do one particular roll. Here's the frog roll. You can do the frog roll in slow motion. The first roll I did was a segmental roll. You can do the segmental roll in slow motion. And really, you can just see how slow you can absolutely move. All along the way though, trying to stay relaxed, and then just find your control. Try to dial it in, see where your body is, feel how you're connected. And if you need a simple, easy place to start, you can start with just slow motion windshield wipers. And just focus on your breathing and how you can control your motion. And if you want, you can turn them into modified windshield wipers. Anyway, the point is not to bore you to death, but to explore how slowly and how smoothly you can roll. And I promise you, this is a diamond mine waiting to be explored, that you can really discover how awesome your body is, how good it feels to feel good, how to connect your body, how it is connected. So many good things can be found here. Anyway, sorry for the slow, probably dull video, but if you engage in this, you're gonna be like, Tim, thank you very much, Tim. And I'll say, you're welcome, you are welcome. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.